Swamiji, I read in Ramayana, it says that when Hanuman was going across, he was having, first he met ego, sursa, then jealousy. And to reach bhakti, all these you have to cross. So what is the obstacle in my bhakti? Is it the ego which is the problem, or is it the jealousy?
Just
like,
incompletions.
Someone is
Incompletions.
ahead of me? Or
Look, what is incompletion comes up and complete, that's all. Because this will all be there in all forms.
Okay. Okay. The meditation question you answered for someone, I purchased a CD set from bookstore, our store here. They have about 15 some CDs in one discourse.
In our stores?
Yeah.
All those
Those
are
are
as per
beautiful.
exactly as per Shastras.
Yeah, very
That
nice.
is not crow biryani.
I've been I've been
That is a
enjoying
clear vegetable biryani
Yes, yes.
as per Bhaga Shastra. So it's not crow biryani, don't worry.
Yes, yes. It was beautiful. It was
See, all the products we release are completely as per the scriptures.
right.
Founded, established on the scriptures.
That's good. Yeah.
Nityananda Swamiji, first gratitude for being here with the full family. It's been a dream for Ma for years to have everybody together. Every December, Swamiji, I cook in the house.
Go ahead.
Swamiji, what is the difference between Shiva Agama and Kamika Agama?
Shivagama is 28. In that first chapter is called Kamikagama.
Can I have Sundaravanam?
I'll give you.
Backside, Swamiji.
Backside. Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Pranam Swamiji, I just want to share an incident which I had during IA in October during the volunteer program. And I want some clarity about it. During a session with Nitya Devi, I had suddenly here the crown chakra opened and so much energy streamed inside, and I relived my birth. And then in the evening, during Shivoham process, I had a very strong spiritual experience where you, I think it was a glimpse of Nityanandoham, and where you taught me how to awaken the Kundalini energy in others. And there were on the ceiling many tools, and suddenly my view shifted to a total different dimension, like I saw everything very clear and the whole energy lines in the room. And then a feather
Don't try to awaken others Kundalini now.
No. Okay.
Don't try. You are not yet fully trained for that.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I want to ask. Can I, how can I enter in such an high experience again?
That's what. Now let the experience ripe. Then you will be able to have, not now.
Okay.
Dating session.
Blessings. Go ahead, Ma.
When we're if we've done death meditation and we choose to be liberated by you,
Then naturally you will be liberated.
do we go to Aksharadham, and what is Aksharadham?
Akshardham is just the space where your body doesn't perish. It eternally resides in oneness with the being, with the cosmos.
Okay, and are you there with us?
Yes. Then with whom else you will be there?
Okay. Swamiji Omar, so I asked, I wrote down that I just wanted to sleep 3 or 4 hours a night, and today I woke up naturally after maybe 4 hours. But then my mind wanted to go back to sleep, and I
No,
went back to
that
sleep.
mind problem will be cleared with this biomemory.
Okay, thank you, Swamiji.
So I want to share one experience that happened with my third eye today. So next to me, Varsha was writing something in Hindi. I just looked at it and asked her if it said Nityanandoham, and it was correct. I actually don't know Hindi. I've never seen or heard it before.
That's wonderful. Actually, kids can actually download different languages. Last time in 2-3 programs, I downloaded different languages for kids and they started reading it.
And then just to check, she gave me one more sentence. Swamiji Mahadev ki avatar hai. And I said it correctly.
With closed eyes, through third eye.
Not with closed eyes, but through third eye.
Okay, now you should tie the eyes, just through third eye you should continue to read. You will be able to read Hindi completely.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Tatast.
And one more request. Could I have Sundaravadam?
I'll give you.
Nityanandam Swamiji, stage side.
All right, it is time. We are vegetarian. For the sake of process itself, after the program, I recommend be vegetarian. See, let me be very clear. After the program, even if you take non-veg, it is not that you will be losing the power of this process or program, but I will recommend that you be vegetarian so that for the sake of so many reasons, to save the planet Earth first of all. How can you kill somebody just for your snack? Is it a stomach or burial ground? Animal burial ground. No, really. Understand? So, but during this process itself, please be strictly vegetarian and no alcohol. That is why I request, don't eat, drink anything outside. No drug, no alcohol, no non-veg during this process. No, if you are healing others, you can't have non-veg even outside the program. No, yes.
It's okay. After our first day darshan, on the second day, I was walking around with my brand new glasses on and I thought, everything looks blurry. So I took my glasses off and I have not worn them since the second day. I can see. I can see clearly now. I can read small print. When I first got my glasses, the optometrist said, "Oh, now you'll be able to see the leaves on the trees." I walk outside and I can see the leaves on the trees waving. So thank you so
Blessings.
much. And blessings that this stays with me.
Yes.
Since I'm attending the program, I'm having a very sound and deep sleep, which I was not having for the past couple of years. So even when I go to
The
bed,
healing with the sleep will become permanent and complete with this whole process.
thanks,
Don't
Swamiji.
worry.
Because I was having this problem, like even if I do meditation, I have to have 30 or 45 minutes before I go to bed.
Which meditation you practice?
Just some sleep meditation or some.
Don't do
music.
all that.
Okay.
Don't do some crow biryani job. Relax.
Okay.
If you do something, do it properly from the scripture.
Okay.
I wanted to tell you all, please do not go to these crow biryani gurus who make chamcha chumcha and jiknaka, and they say, "Oh, it's from my own experience of enlightenment." Relax. Please understand, just like when you before you take medication, you go to the proper doctor, authenticated, researched, foolproof, less side effect medicines you take. Same way, meditation also, take it from the original scriptures, no bad side effect, only good side effect, time tested, foolproof method, that is good for you and the people around you. Or suddenly one day you will realize, when you make a sound, only then you will understand, you were eating all these days crow biryani. Crow biryani. In Hindi movie there is a comedy scene, and in Tamil movie also it is there. Once the LED comes, I will project that scene. Once you eat and then wash your mouth, your neighbor will ask, "What happened? Why sound?" "No, I ate biryani in that platform." He will ask, "5 rupee biryani?" "Yes, yes. It is not chicken biryani, it's a crow biryani." So, do not do anything related to meditation, spirituality, yoga, pranayama, samyama, all this, other than authenticated, proper scripture based. Don't do some your own cooking, or some compounder become doctor. Now India that is there. In US it is not there. In India, see, compounder means assistant doctor. The doctor's assistant, he sees every day. Oh, headache, red tablet. Stomach pain, blue tablet. Leg pain, yellow tablet. And back pain, black tablet. And suddenly one day he gets fed up with this doctor and he goes to a new village or a new city and puts up a board, doctor. And he also gets the same stocks and keeps it and starts giving it to people. Yes, it will work as long as the pharmacy company does not change the color. Now once the pharmacy company changes the color, what will happen? So, be careful. This compounder becoming doctor and this crow biryani job is too dangerous. Don't do things like this on your own. Whenever you are going to work with your inner space, whenever you go to any guru, any yoga guru, pranayama guru, or any guru teachers, first thing ask them, the science you are teaching, from which scripture? Give us the original reference. If they tell, oh, it's from my own enlightenment, then remember what? Understand? Yes, whatever I am teaching is from my own enlightenment, but which is authenticated by the Shastras. My enlightenment aligned to the Shastras. Understand? Both should align. If it is just Shastras, they do not know how to practically make it as experience for you. If they just talk about some enlightenment, these, that, they do not have the authenticity of the original scriptures. The Atma Pramana, individual enlightenment, Apta Pramana, Rishi's enlightenment. Only when both are in tune and it is worthy of being practiced. Your guru should have Atma Pramana, it should be in tune with the Apta Pramana, Rishi's words. Only then it should be followed. So don't eat. So in future, anybody says, it's from my own enlightenment, how you should hear? You should be very clear. Yes.
And with your blessings, after I took a break in my career and rejoined my job, the past 10 years, I never had a complete, satisfaction in the work, what I was doing. But after the blessing, the job or the managers I'm getting, with whom I can share my spiritual thoughts, even though they are not related to Hinduism, and I see the people around me are equally the same vibration.
Evolving.
And I have got good promotion and recently moved to US.
When you change, world may not change, but your world will change. Understand? When you change, world may not change, but your world will change.
One more question. I am from Salem, basically, and there is a place called Siddhar Koil there, and the local belief is that the Siddhas still even today they live there, and I've been a couple of times and I've
Kudambai Chittar, his Jiva Samadhi is there. Kudambai Chittar and Agape Chittar.
And the local belief is that if they choose to appear in front of us, they will appear.
Yes, they appear.
Okay, so I just wanted to.
And Agatya Yantram, it is there. Agatya Yantram and Kudambai Chittar and Agape Chittar, Jiva Samadhi is there.
Swamiji.
If in India,
Swamiji?
the bus per person, kilometer 18 rupee, 18 rupee means, it should be 9 baht here, as per the PPP, but here almost it's 100 baht. per person per kilometer. 10 times. More than 10 times. Almost 11 times. Everything. And the vegetables and groceries they destroyed it, which we bought for all our cooking, and we are not able to salvage it at all. Little we are trying, but we are not getting anything back. It is actually, fortunately, because of you are all eating today. He drove one lorry from Bangkok, one lorry from Malaysia, 2 trucks, full trucks he brought, and because of that, you guys are having food. And he was also very sincere, almost made organic, other than things which can't handle, other than few things he made. He has put a lot of micromanagement and effort, and now I should really thank him for the day and night work. Like night 2 o'clock and all, he will pick up the phone and talk and organize and coordinate, and so responsible. And it's a lot of work. You understand? It's a lot of work. Especially Bhagashastra, the grocery list we sending, and he has not seen the Bhagashastra book. So he has to understand the names and then procure. It was he did it. He made it. And that fellow, that driver who is driving from Malaysia, lost the way. Then I have to appear in his darshan and bring him, align him. They came and said, Swamiji, he lost. You see, it was supposed to be a few hours, but 2 days over, he's disappeared. And when we call him, he says, I don't know where I am, I don't know when I will reach, I don't know anything. Then I had to appear him in his darshan and show the way. Then I told them, you talk to him, under a tree he has seen me, and show my photograph, he knows me, and I showed the way. And he came. Blessings. பதினாறும் பெற்று பெருவாழ் வாழ்க. பதினாறும் பெற்று பெருவாழ் வாழ்க.